guys, good morning, welcome back. Yet another beautiful Sunday morning. बारिश हो रही थी. As of now the rain has stopped, but जब निकले थे तब लगातार बारिश हो रही थी. But ये कब से हो गया कि बारिश है तो हम बाहर नहीं निकलेंगे यार. ये पता नहीं आजकल ही स्टार्ट हुआ है. बचपन में तो बिना बारिश बिना चप्पल के हम लोग हर जगह घूमते रहते थे. And again we have come to this junction where we are going to leave the main road and get inside the forest. So this place is been attracting me over and over again. बहुत ही lonely सुनसान जंगल का रास्ता है. You can see the entire stretch of the forest, how beautiful it is, and it's so quiet inside. The moment you leave this road, there is zero traffic, nobody, no person coming on this road, and it's quite peaceful. आज we are going to do a specific topic oriented video. आगे बताएंगे आपको कि क्या है. And first let's get inside the forest, get into that peaceful groove, and let's talk then thereafter. Good morning guys, today we are at this beautiful location to tell you about our journey on this beautiful machine. 30,000 kilometers हमने complete किए, and it's been an amazing ride, and that is why we are in this serene location. Look at the beautiful pure scenes out here. कितना सुंदर ऐसे आपको landscapes और screen savers पे दिखता है. Look at this winding road through the forest has brought us to this beautiful place. The extraordinary place is just after village Namsu. इसको बोलते हैं Iron Bridge. It's a rusty old bridge which doesn't really give you any confidence while going on it, but the place is so beautiful, so rustic, and seems like you have traveled into an ancient era. Okay दोस्तों, आज हम हैं यहाँ पे to tell you about this beautiful machine. We have completed 30,000 kilometers recently on this machine, and आज हम इसीलिए आए हैं कि आपको मेरा review, not exactly a review, but my experience with this bike I want to tell you, and that is why we are here. So 30,000 kilometers has been a wonderful ride, and you can imagine why this connection between us, because this brings us to places like these. You can hear the water screaming, gushing down, and at the same time look at the lush green forests out here. So बहुत ही सुंदर नज़ारे दिखाते हैं ये बाइक, एंड इट मेक्स यू कनेक्ट विथ ईच अदर. सो आज हम इसके बारे में बताने वाले हैं. गोइंग टू द बिगिनिंग, आई बॉट दिस मशीन इन 2020 मंथ ऑफ आई थिंक ऑगस्ट, 2020 अगस्त. कोविड का टाइम था, and I bought it blindly during the lockdown. This was the confidence that I had in the machine, seeing the reviews, ridden a couple of times दोस्तों का bike, and I just knew that I had no doubts apart from the paper formalities. So blindly ली थी मैंने, घर पे बैठे बैठे, just like Amazon online shopping खरीदी थी. I know it sounds very rich spoiled brat kind of a thing, but ऐसे नहीं था. मेरी फटके हाथ में आई थी कि भाई मैं इतना पैसा खर्च कर रहा हूँ, and it's a huge gamble, but then now coming 4 years down the line and looking back, I can tell it was one of the best decisions of my life. So yeah, ये हमने तभी 2020 में खरीदी थी. Few aspects I would like to talk that over. See, आप कोई भी चीज़ खरीदते हो तो you really don't get that connect instantly, है ना. पैशन आप बोलते हो कि राइडिंग मेरा पैशन है, बट इट डजेंट कम फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट राइड. इट हैज़ टू बी डेवलप्ड. इट कम्स फ्रॉम riding over and over again, going through tough times over and over again, making that connect with each other, and that is how bond, passion is created. This is now one of my companions every goddamn Sunday. So yeah, 4 साल reliability पे there has been no question, absolutely no question. The reliability is awesome. I have been to places like these. देखो यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है, mid of the forest, and I have this much confidence in this bike कि this can take me back home safely. So reliability is 100%. There is no question about the reliability. मैं गिरा हूँ इस पे से, ऐसे नहीं कि ये गिरती नहीं है. Being so tall, the weight balancing is difficult, and at times, especially at slow speeds, you tend to fall down sometimes, and it's part of your journey. So गिरे हैं इसके ऊपर से हम बहुत बार, काफ़ी चोटें आई है, but nothing that has damaged me or the bike per se. So that is the confidence level you get while riding this machine. Apart from reliability, next is the presence. Look at the size of this bulky tank. This tank is huge. This is a 19-liter tank which comes standard, and it's a huge with more plastics on the fairings, and size becomes even more bigger. The road presence is awesome. Look at the width of the bike. The bike seems huge, but it's very nimble, very easy to tackle in traffic, in busy roads. So बहुत ही amazing. The saddle position is also so comforting कि आपको लगता नहीं कि you're riding such a big bike. And yeah, the presence is too good, amplified by the fact that this is a triple engine. You can see the fenders coming out, 3-cylinder engine, and the sound it brings, the scream it creates is next level. I don't think there is any adventure bike in market today which makes a scream like this, and that is what Indians want. A big machine, a machine with a beautiful presence on the road and a beautiful presence on a audible level. So this brings both, and that is why this is one of the most favorite machines adventure tourers in across the world. In fact, yeah, not just in India but all over the world. And the road based model is what you need because it suits everybody from heights ranging from 5'5" to whatever you set the limit to. This road based version gives you enough of comfort, suspension, and safety with respect to road conditions. And this is what you want because it makes you feel so comfortable while in the saddle. Comfort की बात करते हैं तो there are so many factors adding to the comfort. For example, the electronics on this bike, it has a cruise control, it has ABS, it has traction control, everything, you name it and it is there. The huge windscreen which is adjustable on the go like this. Thirdly, इसका maintenance, the cost, the running cost, the servicing cost. The cost of this bike हमें लगता है it's our inhibition कि बड़ी बाइक है, इतनी महंगी बाइक है, so the cost of running is going to be very high, but that's not so. Very frankly, साल में एक बार सर्विसिंग शिद्दत से cost you about on an average say 10,000 rupees, which is affordable. It's like having less than 1,000 rupees per month kept aside for the servicing, and that is all. उसके अलावा पेट्रोल के अलावा आपका कोई खर्चा नहीं है. And talking about the mileage also, this bike gives you approximately on highways say 28 kilometers per liter, and yeah, which is a lot. मतलब मेरी पुरानी Enfield देती थी, and let's not talk about the RD350. वो तो इससे आधा भी दे तो भी I would have been happy. And yeah, and city rides में this will give you approximately around 19-20. So it's pretty decent for 800cc motorcycle, and trust me, आपको ये pinch नहीं करता. You don't feel this because mileage ही देखना था तो you should have bought a Splendor Plus. And yeah, so आपको ये bike लेनी है तो it is for the raw power, it is for the beautiful places this bike is capable of taking you to. Bike is amazing, it is the capability of the rider कि आप इसको कितना निचोड़ सकते हो. The bike has immense capabilities. इसके अंदर मैंने थोड़े बहुत modifications किए. For example, this tank guard is very useful, very handy. बहुत बार गिरे, ये देखो हर जगह scratches है, but this has not let a single scratch come on to my fairings or my turn lamps, indicators, कहीं नहीं. This is amazing product by Jyoti Enterprises based Gujarat based company, run by a single man, but it manufactures amazing products, and I have purchased this in 2021 and it's been saving my bike and myself quite a few times now. Second is ये Barkbuster के क्या बोलते हैं इसको, हैंड बार प्रोटेक्टर्स और वॉट एवर, एंड दीज आर रियली हेल्पफुल. ये देखो वाई सो, बिकॉज वे बैक व्हेन आई डिडंट हैव दीज, मेरी बाइक गिरी थी एंड दिस इज व्हाट इट डिड टू माय ब्रेक लीवर. सो हालांकि ये इट इज़ मेंट टू बी ब्रोकन फ्रॉम हियर सो दैट इवन इफ इट ब्रेक्स योर लिवर इज स्टिल फंक्शनल. आपको दिखाता हूँ मैं. देयर इज नॉच, इफ़ यू कैन सी. या ये देखो, ये नॉच है जहाँ से ये टूटना, इट इज़ मेंट टू बी ब्रोकन in case of a fall so that the livers are still intact. You can use them and I have been using these since past 3 years now ऐसे ही. So yeah, I don't believe in थोड़ा सा टूट गया तो उसको चेंज कर दो. I believe in using it till the time it is meant to be serving its purpose. So ये बच जाता अगर मेरे बागबस्टर्स होते तो. So after this fall I have bought these. उसके अलावा I have bought this headlamp protector which is transparent. grill का भी आता है metal वाला. I don't like that stuff. ये है which has been serving well. It is only in severe contingency की पत्थर आया और headlamp तोड़ने वाला है तो पहले ये टूटेगा. So this is a first line protection. I have these fork protectors of Triumph. ये भी बहुत handy है in case of a slide. Generally ये bikes slide बहुत rarely unless you are riding like a super sport. But these are necessary. उसके अलावा I have put on these panniers which are very handy when you are on long rides, when you have some luggage on you. It reduces your fatigue of your back. अगर आप backpack वगैरह carry करते हो तो उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. Then I have these adventure foot pegs. These are amazing. These are really amazing because जो factory fit आते हैं, those are very tiny, very small, makes you very uncomfortable while riding, standing on the bike, and adds on to your fatigue. But these are a relief. ये इसके ऊपर खड़ा होके चलाना is like fun. So yeah, that is all. I have only made essential changes. कुछ भी fancy नहीं लगाया मैंने. Rest entire bike is stock, and that is how I like it because जो finish आपको company factory देती है, it's after years and years of research, improvements and tests. So I don't believe in fiddling with those. So जो necessary है उतना ही लगाया है. The base plate is again stock जो आता है plastic का. It's the same. I haven't put any aftermarket thing. And seriously मतलब ज़रूरत नहीं होती. I don't know why people do that stuff कि steel का plate लगा दिया, ये लगा दिया. This is, I have taken this bike to Spiti, to Leh Ladakh, to every damn place you can imagine. I have put some videos and you can see them. This bike has been through everything that you can put it through, but still there has been no damage to my base plate or anything. मतलब जितना मैंने अभी लगाया है minimum खर्चा, that is more than enough. People are free to do fancy stuff, but I don't believe in it. So my bike is almost stock, and this is about me and the bike. You can check out more ride videos on the channel which takes us to such beautiful locations. ये देखिए, ये क्या नज़ारा है. मतलब people would pay for going to such places, having a good cup of tea here, but all you need is some investment in a bike like this, which you have to take out every Sunday, not let it sit in your garage. That's an insult to the machine. That's an insult to the investment that you have made. Then it's not an investment. It's not meant for you. So take your bike out, go out, have some fun, go to places where you would have a doubt going to कि जाए क्या अकेला, but it's worth it. Look at this beautiful machine. Do share the channel, guys, and it will be my endeavor to keep on giving you more such beautiful videos, bring you to more such beautiful locations, and let the channel grow. It's up to you guys, and you have been so wonderful. You people are awesome, and like, share, subscribe the video, and we'll see you next Sunday with more such amazing locations and beautiful content.